In this video, we gonna be talking about how to not blow up as a rapper. Now, all y'all know that I'm a music artist and an entrepreneur, and I always come on social media and I like to go ahead and talk to y'all about everything that I do, and I try to give y'all my experiences and everything that I learned. I don't hold back no information when it comes to anything. Y'all know when I come on live, I show y'all all my equipment. I got a free ebook on how to build a home studio, and I gave that to y'all completely free, which you can go ahead and get down below in the description. What's good? It's time. Let's ride with TR Mentality. And before we get into the video, make sure y'all own your own shit. Now, y'all know that as a music artist, spreading information and knowledge about the music business and the music industry, and I talked about on live one time that they're totally different things, so make sure y'all go ahead and check that live out where I talked about the music business versus the music industry. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below as well, so y'all can go ahead and check that out. And y'all know how I always tell y'all that as a music artist, you cannot do the same things that you see every artist doing. And what I mean by that is that most of us, we only see artists that sign to record labels, so they're only doing a limited amount of things because they know that they have $1 million budgets from the record labels behind them, pushing them on radio, pushing them in Spotify playlists, pushing their ads all over social media, putting them on award shows, magazines, all that type of stuff. And then they don't really have any social media presence because they don't have to. And so I see a lot of time for artists, myself included, that we think we could just drop our music, and because we know that we're so great and that we offer so much to this business, we think that people actually care to listen to our music. And I always tell y'all that it does not work that way. That's not the way that you're going to successfully build a fan base and an audience of people that actually want to listen to your music, buy tickets to see you live, buy your merch, all that good stuff. Speaking of merch, y'all know I always talk about building a brand, and my brand, Own Your Own Shit, or OYOS, and that's my mission statement. That's what I stand by, and my mission has been to get as many people as possible to live by that same statement, Own Your Own Shit, which y'all can get these t-shirts down below in the description as well, so that y'all can feel that same empowerment I feel every time I step out or every time I go in a video, and I'm wearing this shirt in every single video I make. It's a powerful statement that I decided to live my entire life by, that I always want to own everything I'm a part of. I have to own my own music. I have to own my own business. I have to own my own brand. I have to own my own name. All that is non-negotiables for me, and I try to get as many people on that same vibe as possible. So with that being said, y'all know I'm an independent music artist, and I always talk about why I would never sign to a record label, and I always share all the knowledge and information that I have that backs my reasoning for why I would never sign to a record label. And for the longest time, I was in that same boat where I was just dropping music, and then I'll go ghost, or I'll just drop a little bit of content about the music and just expect people to listen to it. And of course that helped me gain a couple fans along the way. But what I noticed is that by using that method, it would take way too long to go ahead and scale as a music artist. And I wasn't with that. I always talk about how when we get into music, it's for the love initially, but we also want to provide for our family and make sure that we're able to take care of them financially. And so when I always tell y'all that nobody wants to listen to your music because nobody knows you, nobody cares, one of the biggest things that I always speak on, and one of the biggest questions that I always get is, okay, well, what do you do instead? How do you go ahead and build your fan base as a music artist? And one of the best ways that I've learned throughout my journey as a music artist was making content. I talk about this all the time, making social media content, sharing my personality, sharing my experience on the music business and the music industry, and how I've been navigating as a music artist. And not only that, but I go ahead and I show y'all how you can actually grow successfully on social media, which if you also looking to make social media content, make sure you go ahead and click the link down below to a tool called TubeBuddy. It's a free tool that's going to help you get the best tags for your videos, the best topics to go ahead and talk about, and overall how to grow your channel faster than everybody starting a channel right now. So make sure you go ahead and click the link down below to go ahead and download that tool called TubeBuddy. It's completely free so that you can grow your channel faster than everybody. I also got my vocal recording templates for Logic Pro X that helps y'all to mix y'all music without having to know how to mix at all, and it's currently 70% off, and you get an extra $5 off if you use code LOGIC right now. And the link to those vocal recording templates are down below in the description as well, and it's gonna make your vocals sound crispy, and I'm only offering those for a limited time only, so make sure y'all go ahead and grab them right now so you can get that 70% off plus an extra $5 if you use code LOGIC. Y'all only got till Sunday, and they're gonna be gone forever. Now, creating social media content is something that totally changed my entire career, and it's been something that's actually been taking my music career to the next level. And not only that, but it's been helping me build my personal brand so that I have people that actually stand by what I believe in, own your own shit, my mission statement, and my mentality completely. And I always tell y'all that when somebody believes in you and they believe in your mission statement, they believe in your mentality, and they stand by that, they will listen to your music, they will buy tickets to your shows, and they will buy your merch because they like you as a person. And when they like you, they want to be a part of everything that you put your name on, because that's how much they believe in you. And that's why I always tell y'all that when y'all do build y'all brand, to never take that for granted and understand how important your brand is and how much that affects everybody that comes across your content. But hey man, I hope this video is something that you've been able to take something from, and that it can help you along the way throughout your music journey. And with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and leave y'all y'all on that note, make sure y'all go ahead and comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this video. Go ahead and add to the topic. And if you got any questions, make sure you go ahead and comment those down below as well. I'm gonna go ahead and get right back to y'all. And also, y'all let me know any videos that y'all want me to make in the future, answering any questions that y'all might have, and anything that's gonna benefit y'all in y'all music career journey or even in your entrepreneur journey. Everything I say can be used in any industry that you're a part of. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And I'm out of here, man.
When you pop, they gon' act like they all know you. I ain't had nobody in my pictures that ain't coming with us. When you poppin', they gon' act like they ain't hold you down when they think it's beneficial. Best believe that I was down bad on my dick, it turned me numb. Now I've been flying everywhere. Best believe it ain't no runner up, I'm killing it.